In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a JSON file in Elementor. If you're building a website using Elementor, a powerful page builder for WordPress, you might find yourself needing to add templates to streamline your design process. These templates can come in the form of JSON files, which are quite handy in helping you maintain consistency across your site without reinventing the wheel every time. So, let's get started on how you can easily import these JSON files into Elementor. First, you'll want to navigate to your WordPress dashboard. Once you're there, look for the option labeled Templates in the side menu. Click on it, and you'll see a drop-down menu appear. From this menu, select Saved Templates. This is your primary hub for storing all your templates that you've saved or imported previously. Once you've entered the Saved Templates section, it's time to move on to the next step. At the top of the Saved Templates page, you'll notice a button that says Import Templates. Go ahead and click on this button. This action will open up a new window where you'll have the opportunity to upload your files. Now, this next part is crucial. It's where you actually bring your template into Elementor. You need to ensure that the file you're going to import is either a JSON file or a zip file containing JSON files. These formats are what Elementor accepts for template imports, so double-check that your file is in the correct format before proceeding. Once you've confirmed that your file is ready for import, click the button that says Choose File. This button will open a window where you can browse through your computer's files. Navigate to the location where your JSON or .zip file is saved and select it. After you've chosen the correct file, click on the Import Now button right next to it. This initiates the import process. Depending on the size of your file, this may take a moment, so be patient while Elementor imports and indexes your template. Once the import is complete, the template will appear under My Templates. You can view it in the list of templates you currently have saved. It's now fully integrated into Elementor's system and ready for your use. You can either insert this template into your current project or edit it to suit your specific needs. The beauty of using templates is in their reusability and flexibility, allowing you to maintain a cohesive design throughout your website effortlessly. And there you have it, a straightforward way to add JSON files in Elementor. By following these simple steps, you'll be well on your way to efficiently managing your website's design elements, saving time, and ensuring consistency. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!